Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Analogy. Let me know if you get a perfect 10 out of 10. Malice is to charity. Blank is to gloom. A. Victim. B. Lose. C. Glee. D. Cloud. The correct answer is letter C. Glee. Malice is an antonym for charity, and glee is an antonym for gloom. Total is to partial. Blank is to smile. A. Gums. B. Frown. C. Expression. D. Speak. The correct answer is letter B. Frown. Total is an antonym for partial, and frown is an antonym for smile. Whole is to blank, whole is to pit. A. Pittance. B. Whale. C. Donut. D. Sum. The correct answer is letter D. Sum. Whole is another word for sum, and whole is another word for pit. Colossal is to enormous, constant is to blank. A. Huge. B. Time. C. Faithful. D. Lapsed. The correct answer is letter C. Faithful. Colossal is a synonym for enormous, and constant is a synonym for faithful. Blank is to courtroom, nurse is to hospital. A. Right. B. Bailiff. C. Doctor. D. Law. The correct answer is letter B. Bailiff. A bailiff works in a courtroom and a nurse works in a hospital. Barrack is to base, blank is to dessert. A. Storm. B. Tank. C. Test. D. Adobe. The correct answer is letter D. Adobe. A barrack is a structure found on a base, and an adobe is a structure found in the desert. Mean is to average, kind is to blank. A. Hurtful. B. Meaning. C. Variety. D. Kindness. The correct answer is letter C. Variety. Mean is a synonym for average and kind is a synonym for variety. Often is to seldom. Obsolete is to blank. A. Antiquated. B. Current. C. Round. D. Mixed. The correct answer is letter B. Current. Often is an antonym for seldom, and obsolete is an antonym for current. Abandon is to reclaim. Abate is to blank. A. Abolish. B. Debate. C. Rise. D. Level. The correct answer is letter C. Rise. To abandon is an antonym of to reclaim, and to abate is an antonym of to rise. Defer is to postpone. Proffer is to blank. A. Cause. B. Tender. C. Avoid. D. Infer. The correct answer is letter B. Tender. To defer is a synonym of to postpone, and to proffer is a synonym of to tender. Did you get perfect?